Let me show you exactly what's inside the free 5 signs guide so you know what you're getting before you download. Sign 1. The Sunday dread has become the Sunday fat. This isn't stress about a hard week. It's a low grade anxiety that hits around 4 p.m. every single Sunday, like clockwork. Sign 2. Summer stopped fixing it. For years, summer was your reset button. You'd come back feeling like yourself, except you can't remember the last time that actually happened. Sign 3. The joy left quietly, and you almost didn't notice. A student gets it. You used to feel so fulfilled. Now you think, that's good, and move to the next thing. Sign 4. You have an anger you can't quite fully explain. It's not rage, it's the gap between what teaching asks of you and what it gives back. That anger is informational. Sign 5, you're waiting for a plan that would never feel complete enough. You research, you make lists, and you tell yourself, when the plan is solid, I'll go. But certainty isn't available for purchase in advance. Each sign comes with real questions to sit with. No pressure, no sales, just clarity. This is the resource I wish someone had handed me.